Some decisions are never left to chance. Sowing, irrigating, harvesting. Weather forecasts guide farmers in maximizing yields and minimizing risks, ensuring abundant and sustainable food for all. Energy, like food, is essential for us. With information about wind and sunlight, we can ensure optimal and secure production of energy, renewable and sustainable energies. We can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and protect our environment and our planet. Throughout the history of mankind, we envision the future as we gaze at the sky. We have always observed, learned and renewed ourselves to improve our daily lives and protect our planet. We rely on technology and innovation to better understand the world around us, control our environments and predict future events.
For years, radiosondes and weather balloons have ascended into the atmosphere to gather vital information about temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed and more. They are trusted tools, but they have limitations. This is a Meteomatics drone, a Meteor drone. We designed our drones to fly and gather vital data that powers our forecasts. Our drones offer flexibility and sustainability that other technologies can't provide. We combined innovation and reliability to produce a drone that can withstand various weather conditions. Icing, strong wind won't stop our drones from collecting high-quality weather data, both in the mid and lower atmosphere. With the ability to collect data in challenging environments and specific locations, every flight is a crucial mission for our forecast. Meteor drones can ascend up to 6 kilometers above the ground, collecting atmospheric data day and night at altitudes that other technologies leave uncovered. The Meteor base is the home of our drones. Inside the Meteor base, a sophisticated climate control system maintains optimal conditions for the Meteor drones. Their electrical components and batteries find a safe haven in the Meteor base. It is a hub, a launch and landing platform, a charging station, a radio link, a ground station. It's equipped with cameras that ensure a safe landing for our drone and provide real-time visual checks to our pilots. We envision a network of Meteor bases facilitating remote control and operation of multiple drone systems simultaneously, all managed by a single pilot.
The captured data is seamlessly integrated into weather models for processing, resulting in more accurate predictions. With our Weather API, you can access real-time forecasts, but also historical weather data and even climate projections covering all times from as early as 1940 all the way up to year 2100. Our API enables businesses and governments to make more informed decisions, protect people and assets, reducing uncertainties and optimizing operations. Standard global weather models typically provide a spatial resolution of between 10 and 20 kilometers and temporal resolutions of 1 hour. Euro 1K sets a new benchmark in weather modeling. The result is apparent to everybody's eyes. The Euro 1K model offers a spatial resolution of 1 kilometer, a temporal resolution of 20 minutes and a forecast lead time of 48 hours. Meteomatics Euro 1K model stands out for its accuracy and timeliness, utilizing high-quality initial conditions and incorporating data from various sources, including the ECMWF IFS model. After production, the model data undergoes an incredible downscaling and calibration process to further enhance the accuracy of the forecasts. One single global 90 meters grid requires around 50 GB of storage, and we deliver thousands of parameters and hundred thousands of time steps. Hence, we apply our downscaling techniques blazingly fast, on the fly, when you interact with the data. Meteomatics also employs Meteor drones to gather atmospheric data in areas where other data sources are lacking, improving the forecast accuracy in those specific regions. Euro 1K is the first and only model covering all of Europe in such a fine resolution to accurately model even the smallest meteorological phenomena, including thunderstorms, hail, wind channeling and fog. This level of detail represents a significant advancement in the field of meteorological modeling. Its unprecedented accuracy transforms business and government decisions. What was once only imaginable can now be seen, calculated and predicted.
At Meteomatics, we turn imagination into reality. Every day our team of experts works passionately to anticipate the weather, enabling you to plan with confidence and precision. We are not just predicting the future, we are shaping it.